I was involved in a auto wreck and was taken to a hospital and then to UT. The individual ran a red light and had no insurance, and I'm wondering what what can be done for me.
Right. Well, this is Auto Accident 101, and you know, the first thing I would say is it's a tragedy that the other person didn't have the insurance, because now you're going to have to look to your own insurance to cover your expenses unless they have appreciable assets that you can go after. Wouldn't you agree?
Absolutely. It's you know, this is day in and day out for a personal injury firm, and pretty routine.
Okay, so when it comes to auto accidents, though, what would you suggest for people getting insurance? I mean, would you suggest that they up their what is it when someone doesn't have insurance?
That's uninsured motorist.
Okay.
The state of Tennessee requires that everybody have minimum policy limits at $25,000.
That doesn't sound like a lot.
It's not a lot.
Okay.
And when you start doing that math, and Nick, you know this, when people get injured and they go to the hospital and then they go to their primary care provider, maybe they go to physical therapy after, or whatever the situation is, very quickly we see all those bills take up all that coverage. And pretty soon they're left kind of behind the 8 ball, so to speak, right, Nick?
Exactly. It's $25,000 once you go to the hospital, ambulance ride. You know, that really is not going to cover much.
I guess maybe at the time they passed that law in the 70s or whenever, maybe the 80s, that
sense.
was a lot of money. But now we all know that the economy's changed, and you know, it's just not enough anymore. So those are kind of unfortunate situations, but it does sound like you have a claim.